Uh.
Ow!
Math.
Ow!
Here we go. As I walk in the classroom from the hallway of math, I take a look at my graph and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been equating, numerating so long that even my teacher thinks my mind has gone. But I ain't never found a y that I couldn't derive it. You see arc sine x, come on, let's describe it. You'd better watch how you're teaching and who's best teaching. Cause if you don't simmer down, math ain't all I'll be preaching. I really hate the rules, but you gotta know. Constant rate of change, sum and power rule. Man, I'm the kind of G other students wanna be at my desk in the night, studying up until the daylight. Been spending most our lives living in a derivatives paradise. Just chain rule won't suffice, living in a derivatives paradise. Some problems won't be nice, living in a derivatives paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in a derivatives paradise. The ceaseless information and expectation. I can't live a normal life, all the pressure from this sitch. So I gotta be down with that constant rule. Derivative of a constant looking kinda cruel. I'm an educated man with math on my mind. Got a constant on the left with a zero across the sign. Got the sloped out answer, a geomancer. And this rule that comes next would be good to advance ya, man. This rule of power may be leading you straight. It's super easy if you just remember this way. X to the n equals n times the x. That's x to the n minus 1. Tell me, why are we intertwined to see that the rates of change help to find velocity? Been spending most our lives living in a derivatives paradise. Just chain rule won't suffice, living in a derivatives paradise. Some problems won't be nice, living in a derivatives paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in a derivatives paradise. Sum in the difference, difference in the sum, depending on the function, add or subtract dumb. Everybody's listening, but maybe it's not riveting. What's going on in the classroom? Everybody's soliciting. They say you gotta learn, but they all wanna leech me. If they can't do sine and cosine, how can they reach me? Sine of x equals cosine x. Cosine x equals negative sine x, man. Been spending most our lives living in a derivatives paradise. Just chain rule won't suffice, living in a derivatives paradise. Some problems won't be nice, living in a derivatives paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in a derivatives paradise. So tell me, why are we intertwined to see that the rates of change help to find velocity? Tell me, why are we intertwined to see that the rates of change help to find velocity?
Ow!